Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing data. Back up any irreplaceable files to an external drive or cloud so you can delete confidently. Next, open Disk Cleanup and select C. To remove temporary files, thumbnails, and the recycle bin, this reclaims quick space without risk. Once done, consider disabling hibernation with PowerCug H off if you never use it. That frees a substantial file. Make sure to run these first actions before moving to larger removals. Now you tackle bulk consumers. Open Settings apps and sort by size to uninstall programs you no longer use. This removes hidden caches and installers. Then analyze C, with storage settings or a disk analyzer to locate large folders like downloads, app data, or game installs. Once identified, move media and archives to another drive or cloud to free core system space. Make sure to empty the downloads folder and delete duplicate installers. Those are common, recoverable wins. Finish by running Disk Cleanup as administrator and choose Cleanup System Files to remove Windows Update leftovers. That often frees several gigabytes. Then verify system integrity. Run sfc/scano and chkdsk if you suspect file errors, and only defragment HDDs when appropriate. If C remains tight, adjust System Restore Storage or move the paging file, but do so deliberately. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup or use system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.